Speed dial. Speed dial widgets. So the point being that I call somebody all the time. I don't like to have to go open the phone, look them up or do my favorites. I would like to just tap a button on a home screen. So here's how you do it. First iPhone and then Android I will do. So first thing is you want to find an empty part of a home screen. I don't have any room on this one. You can move things around later, but I'm finding an empty home screen. You long press. Notice how everything starts to wiggle? And then you get this little plus in the upper left-hand corner. That means add a widget. Plus, and then there's lots of different widgets. I want contacts. So I go to contacts, and I have the choice of just a single person or a widget that has 4 people or a widget that has 8 people. I just want single person, add widget. All right, I'm done with part 1. Part 2 is tell the widget who you want to call. Jim was fine, but no, I want to change it to somebody else. You long press and edit widget. Now you can choose the contact that you want it to be. I'm going to make it Alice, and we're done. So now anytime I need to call Alice or text her, I can just tap that and I have her phone or messaging or mail. On an Android, it's pretty much the same, at least on my Samsung. I can't speak for all Android phones. But same thing, first you have to find an empty place on a home screen. Then you have to long press, but in this case, it kind of shrinks your home screen and brings some options down at the bottom. I want a widget. What widget? I want contacts. Now, I have 2 contacts on my Samsung. I have to know that it's the blue one that is my Google contacts and has everybody in it. And once again, I just want a single widget. So I add it. Now I tell it who I want. I'm going to choose Alice again. And I'm done. It was a little bit easier, I think, on the Android. Now if I want to call Alice or text her, I tap that and I get her contact. I can call or text. So that was both speed dial widgets on iPhone and speed dial widget on Samsung.